Welcome back to Houston Life. If you don't have a gift for Father's Day just yet, don't panic. They're here with some easy crafts you can do at home in no time that won't break your budget and will make for a very sweet Father's Day present.
I'm just looking at the crafts right here, starting to take notes already. And here to show us some easy ideas to get you started is our friend Alexis Geissler from Craftworks, a local mobile DIY studio. Alexis, we were kind of walking up to the table going, we're so glad you're here today. Please help us.
Yes, we're here to help. So the great thing is all of these DIY gifts can be made pretty easily and quickly, so you've got time before Sunday to get them done.
And that way you can just refrain from getting the tie or the gift card or walking into Home Depot.
Those
now,
predictable
those are not
items.
great items, but now we can get creative.
More special here.
Yes.
Exactly. So the first project we're going to be doing is glass etching. It's also known as French embossing. It's been around since the mid-1800s.
I heard I needed a glove for this, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one on.
Yes. So the great thing about glass etching is it can actually be done on any glass surface, and it can also be done on slate. So you can do it on a coffee mug. We've got coasters, tiles. Today we're going to make a beer stein.
I like that you're showing us this
Dad.
because it sounds like it's going to be harder than I'm hoping it is.
It's actually super easy. So it can be a little intimidating, but it's really not.
Okay,
walk us through it.
The first thing you're going to do is you're going to clean your glass off just to make sure there's no fingerprints that will interfere with the process. Then you'll add your stencil. So we've got a stencil here that says greatest dad ever. So you're going to then go ahead and take a brush and you're going to start applying this cream.
Great.
So you're going to go ahead and apply it to all of the places on
Inside the blue here.
Correct.
Great.
Yes.
Okay, I'll start doing that.
And this is a cream, not a paint?
It is a cream. So you want to kind of dab it on and use a medium amount. I like to tell people you don't want it to be dripping down the glass, but you also don't really want to see the glass through it either. So that's perfect.
Great.
So you'll cover the whole surface that you want to have, and then you would let it sit there for about 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then once it is cured, you're going to go ahead and you will wash it off. And then you can show them the mug, the final product.
Oh, amazing.
Look, and by the magic of TV, Catherine, look at your
15 minutes
beautiful
later.
work.
That looks fantastic.
Now, Alexis, let me ask you this. Can you
Yes.
use different colors of a cream, or is etching technically done in this white?
So the etching is really just removing the surface of the glass. So this is what is left behind.
Gotcha.
So it makes it kind of not glossy anymore.
Yes, and the perfect part of this is it's permanent. So unlike vinyl where you have to be careful, you can throw this right in the dishwasher.
Okay.
Music to my ears. It has to go in the dishwasher,
Not have to be hand washed.
Okay, what else do we have here?
So our next project is perfect for the kids. So that one's more of an adult project, but this is a great way to get the kids involved. So we are making a painted rock photo frame.
Okay.
So you just take rocks. You can get them from your garden. You can buy them from a local craft store, kind of wherever you want to get them. And then you're going to add a photo to it. The special shout out to my husband. These
Oh, this is so cute.
Happy Father's Day.
Yes, and so you can go ahead. We covered our rocks with a white paint to make sure that there was nothing that would interfere when you were trying to adhere it.
Okay.
So if you want to step over here,
Sure.
Catherine, or you can actually do the rock.
Okay. May I?
Do you want me to hold it? I think you got this.
Yes, so you paint any design on the rock that you want. It can be abstract, it can be something specific. It really does not matter. It's just anything that your kids want to put on there special for dad.
Okay, that's my best take at making a 5-point star.
It's perfect.
Thank you. Okay, there we go.
This cute little penguin over here you've done on the final product is great too.
Yes.
So anything really.
So
There you
then,
go.
once you've done that, you'll let it dry. You can apply a spray adhesive or something that will coat it, a sealant.
And this is like a paint. This is a paint marker,
Yes.
right?
So we're using paint markers here, but you can use any paint that you have at home. Acrylic paint is fine. Anything you've got laying around.
Okay, cool.
Love that.
Then once you've got it painted and sealed, you're going to go ahead. You can put that down. We're going to go ahead and add some beads.
Okay.
Ooh.
So you can use any beads that you like. You can actually use small beads. You can create a pattern. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. Little kids, the pony beads are going to be better because those are easier for them.
I gotcha.
And I love that too because that's great for, eye-hand coordination for little kids, fine motor skills.
Yes.
So really a great project just to kind of help them too.
Yeah,
What
so we
is the
wrapped
material that I'm putting this on right now?
Yeah, so we used 20 gauge wire and that just gets wrapped around the stone. And then you can use some pliers to really just kind of tighten it up and make sure that it's on there strongly.
I gotcha.
You can pick all of Dad's favorite colors.
That's
for
right,
beads.
exactly.
Yes.
The kids really love this project because there's so much that they can participate in on it.
Okay. Okay.
So then once you've done your beads, you leave a couple inches and you're actually just going to wrap the wire around a few times at the top and fasten it off. And that is what makes the piece that holds.
Mind blown. I just saw the loop. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like that is essentially going to be holding your picture. Look at that.
That is very cool.
Okay, I'm fascinated now.
Yeah, I had no idea it was so easy to do this at home.
It
Alexis,
really is.
thank you.
The kids can totally do this.
Okay, all right, Catherine, you want to take a stab at the last
Sure,
one?
we'll do it. We can do it together.
Okay,
Let's do that.
okay.
We'll do a team.
Okay.
So the last project we're doing is this really cute card that anyone can make. Again, it's great for the kids. And what I love about this is the hands are the flames. And so if you've got multiple kids,
my
you can put as
goodness.
many hands on it as you need to.
Oh my goodness.
And these are materials you have laying around the house. We've used a cardstock here just because it gives it a little bit more weight.
Exactly.
But you could totally use construction paper or anything you have laying around. So we cut out some circles and we glued them together to kind of make this grill shape.
Oh, that is really cute.
Yes. And then we applied some different elements. So we have a spatula, the grills have legs.
Of course.
Of course, the star of the show is going to be the hands from your children.
I just love anytime you can involve the hands
Like a
on
hand or a
anything.
handprint.
So cute.
Absolutely.
So cute.
So if you want to go ahead, you can just add some glue to the bottom.
All right.
That's so fun. You can put their little names on it too.
Yeah,
Fingers, so
absolutely.
you know which hand for which child.
And always make sure to write the year because it's fun to go back and look at the
And
keepsakes
see
later.
how much they've grown.
Yes.
that.
So you can go ahead and just give it some
Okay.
press down really well.
Down.
Yeah.
This is such an adorable idea. I love this.
And then you can go ahead and you can write a message on the inside. Your kids can draw pictures. You can
so
write something,
cute.
anything you want.
And I love that you have like endless number of flames on there.
Exactly. So you've got 10 kids,
So many
you
good.
get
10 kids, 10
a roaring
flames.
fire.
I feel like if I were to do this with my nieces and
analogy.
nephews with all 8 of them, it would be burning the grill down.
A little bit of symbolism there.
Absolutely. Well, Alexis, thank you so much. These are some great ideas.
You're
Where can we
welcome.
get a hold of the rest of your projects? Can we find you online?
Yeah, so you can go to our website, craftworksusa.com, and we're a mobile DIY studio, so we can come do adult parties, kids parties, birthday parties.
fantastic.
We
That's
go
so
all
fun.
over the greater Houston area, so we love to do custom projects with people. There's really no limit to what we can do.
There's no limit on the size of the hands, right? The bigger the adult hands will still work.
Yeah, another inferno thing going on.
Thank you so much and happy early Father's Day.
Thank you.
for sharing
Happy
these.
Father's Day to all the dads.
Yes. For the complete steps, or if you'd like to connect with her mobile DIY studio, check out our website at HoustonLife.tv.